Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a comprehensive 2025 guide on how to use Monday.com for competitive analysis. Now, the first thing we need to do is set up our board. Simply click on the plus icon on your dashboard, select Board, and name it Competitive Analysis. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space where we can input and visualize data about our competitors. Once your board is set, you'll need to add groups and items. Groups could represent different business aspects like marketing, product, or customer service, while items within these groups could be your competitors. Click New Item, then type in your competitors' names. Now that we've done that, we've essentially laid the groundwork for our analysis. Next up, we create columns for the data we want to track. Click Add Column, then choose Numbers column. You can create columns like price, features, customer satisfaction score, and so on. This helps us because it allows us to directly compare specific aspects of our competitors. Now, Monday.com also allows us to add updates and comments for each item. Say you found a news article about one of your competitors launching a new feature. You can add it as an update to that competitor's item. This ensures that all relevant information about a competitor is stored in one place. Let me explain why this matters. Having a detailed, organized, and constantly updated overview of your competitors will help you identify their strengths and weaknesses, understand market trends, and make informed business decisions. After you've inputted all your data, you can use the chart view to generate visual reports. Click Add View, then select Chart. You can customize your chart to show whatever data you're most interested in. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The chart view is taking all your raw data and transforming it into easy-to-understand visualizations. And that's about it. You've now turned Monday.com into a powerful tool for competitive analysis. Remember, the more data you input and the more regularly you update it, the more valuable your analysis will be. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep analyzing and strategizing.